Hi friends, welcome to my channel Vishwajit Almighty English. Today we will discuss 10 important questions and answers on D.H. Lawrence. Let's start. D.H. Lawrence, 1885 to 1930. 1. Lawrence's novels are largely located in dash. In which place or where? This is the question. And the answer is mining country of Nottingham. In mining country of Nottingham. Next, 2. This novel has autobiographical overtones. Which novel has autobiographical overtones? The answer is Sons and Lovers. Sons and Lovers. Next, 3. Lawrence called this novel Thought Adventure. Which novel is called Thought Adventure by Lawrence himself? This is the question, and the answer is his novel Kangaroo. Kangaroo. K-G-R-O. Next question. An obscene novel. Why? This novel is called an obscene novel. Why? Lawrence's Lady Chatterley's Lover is called an obscene novel. Why? Because its theme is sexual experience. Lady Chatterley's Lover. Its theme is sexual experience. Next, question number 6. Sea and Sardinia. What is Lawrence's Sea and Sardinia? This is the question, and the answer is Lawrence's Sea and Sardinia is a travel book. A travel book. Next question. Religion of the blood. The phrase religion of the blood is related largely with D.H. Lawrence's novels. Why? Because many of his novels expose sexual experience. Because several of his novels expose sexual experience. Next, this novel is in its expurgated form. One of Lawrence's novels is in its expurgated form, not in its original form. Which novel? The novel is Lady Chatterley's Lover. Next question. Phoenix is dash. What is Phoenix? What is Lorentz phoenix? Phoenix is, this is the question and the answer is phoenix is a collection of prose articles. Next question. The mortal coil is. The answer is what is Lorentz's the mortal coil? And the question. And the answer is the mortal coil is. Lorentz's the mortal coil is a collection of stories. These are the questions and their answers. Now I have to repeat again. D.H. Lawrence, 1885 to 1930. 1. Lawrence's novels are largely located in mining country of Nottingham. This novel has autobiographical overtones, sons and lovers. Lawrence called this novel third adventure. The novel is Kangaroo. 4 plus 5. An obscene novel. Why? This novel is called an obscene novel and why? Lady Chatterley's Lover is the novel which is called an obscene novel. Why? Because its theme is sexual experience. 6. Sea and Sardinia. What is Sea and Sardinia? The answer is Lawrence's Sea and Sardinia is a travel book. 7. The phrase religion of the blood is related with D.H. Lawrence's novels. Why? Because several of his novels expose sexual experience. 8. This novel is in its expurgated form but not in its original form. Why? What novel? Lady Chatterley's Lover. 9. Phoenix is dash. What is Lawrence's Phoenix? The answer is Phoenix is a collection of prose articles. Next. What is Lawrence's the mortal coil? The answer is the mortal coil is a collection of stories. Now friends, I have discussed 10 questions and answers on D.H. Lawrence. Now, if you are satisfied with this discussion, you have to subscribe my channel, Vishwajit Almighty English, and you have to like, comment and share a lot. Okay, thank you.